Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about Japanese walking, the simple fitness hack that boosts heart health. Want to walk your way to better health without going hardcore at the gym? Try Japanese walking, also called interval walking training IWT. It's a simple, low-impact fitness trick backed by science, and it's great for your heart, blood sugar, strength and overall fitness. Unlike HIIT, IWT is gentler and perfect for any age or fitness level. Here's how it works: you walk fast for 3 minutes, roughly 70% of peak aerobic capacity, then slow down for 3 minutes, 40% of peak aerobic capacity, and repeat that 5 times. That gives you a 30-minute walk, easy to fit in 5 days a week. In a study with over 200 people, average age 63, shows it beats regular walking for improving blood pressure, glucose levels, BMI, aerobic fitness, and even balance. Even better, most people stick with it long term. Studies show a 95% retention rate. Getting started is simple. 1. Set a realistic goal. Don't worry if you can't do 30 minutes at first. 2. Use the talk test. During fast walking, you should only be able to say a few words at a time. 3. Wear comfy, supportive shoes. 4. Pay attention to your body. Stop if you feel pain or dizzy. 5. Track your walks with a journal or app. If you're new to this, start small, walk at your usual pace, then briskly for 20 to 30 seconds, then back to normal. As you get used to it, make the fast parts longer. And always check with your doctor if you're unsure. Ready to give Japanese walking a try? Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.